Let's learn how you can remove or delete Google service on your Google account. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for all phones. So first you will have to go to Google and you will have to open your Google account. Now from home page you will have to go to data and privacy and you will just have to scroll down until you find download or delete your data section. And now you'll have to click on delete the Google service, remove a service that you no longer use. Click here and it will open a new page. First you'll have to verify and type the password of your Google account and it will redirect you to this page. Here you will find every Google service that is using on your account. To delete one of them, just click on this trash icon. Pop-up will appear saying that are you sure you want to delete this service. You will have to click on this checkbox. Yes, I understand that will permanently delete my service profile. If you're so sure you want to delete this, click on delete service, and as you can see, blogger data successfully deleted. So that's it. You have removed Google service from your Google account and you're done.